So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify Coming Soon page. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin panel, which will look something like this. On here you can see orders, products, customers, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store, app, or settings. Now on there, in order to create pages, you will need to go to your online store. You can see themes, pages, and preferences. Now the first thing you should do is go to preferences, and then if you find this password protection, I suggest you turn it on once it becomes available, so you can add, and this is just an example, this isn't a real password, so you can just use it like that, and then you can just type in to your visitor coming soon, and you can even add a date or a countdown or something like that, so people, when they open up the website, will see how it could look. Now from there you can also add a page and click on this, which will then show you the coming soon part, and you can use a different template as well, so you can see the visible and hidden parts of the page, and you can just even put in some content, so you can make this visible but not the other pages, which will serve as your coming soon, so you can notify your potential customers that it's being built and they will be able to order quite soon. So just put in as a coming soon page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.